Guys, this is Harshita.
And this is Pal.
So, we are planning on vlogging our life throughout the semester of college for the moment, and we hope you have fun. So, yeah. So,
Hi guys.
we are going to,
Station.
yeah, we are going home now, and then we part ways.
Yeah, so we'll go together till Dadar. And then Harshita lives in Central Line, I live in Western Line. So yes.
Pearl finds it traumatizing that I live in
Very
Western
traumatized.
Central Line.
Yes.
She hates
Because
it.
then I'm alone in the train for like an hour. And it's the
Yeah.
most depressing hour of my life.
I have to change trains. You don't even have to do that.
Yeah. Still. You don't know the horrors of the Western Line.
Please come to Central Line then.
Never.
So I just realized that I was speaking the whole time and there was no recording of what I was saying. So here I'm just ranting about how I travel so much every day just so I could go to college and how tired I get. And here I am giving you a fit check of what I was wearing today. So yeah, that's me.
So yeah, working with kids is a bit tricky, but you know they are like they have the ability to surprise you when you least expect it. Okay, so kids can just do anything. They are the most unpredictable people out there, and so yeah, they can do anything. They can throw a tantrum, and some days they'll be like really happy to study. Some days they just won't even process what you're saying, and you have to repeat things multiple times, and it's a lot to summarize. But yeah, they have like a very good ability to surprise you too, and they're very creative, they're very smart. Okay, one thing that I've learned is that I can learn a lot from them, and they can teach me a lot of things, and they are very, and most of them are like very comfortable in their skin, which I really want to learn. Like, oh my god, the confidence, and I love it, I'm there for it. So yeah, they taught me a lot of things. I work there from Monday to Friday, and it's pretty much okay at this point. I'm used to it, and on weekends I go to my cat classes. Yeah, I'm appearing for cat next year, so I go to the classes, which is why you will never see me on Saturday, because I'm busy making a fool of myself at the classes. It's pretty tough, man. It's very tough. There was some insect on my hand. Busy. But yeah, most of my time goes in college and this gig I have, and the rest of it I waste while I scroll reels or watch.
Hello. Damn, I look a bit rough, honestly. So, I wanted to, go through, I was sitting, I'm having my coffee at the moment. Once I was back home, I couldn't really, vlog something today because as soon as I came home, usually I have a friend over. I'm teaching her French at the moment, so she's here. But I had to take an online class for her, and once that was over, I had a 2-hour meeting. It wasn't a meeting; it was a movie screening that we had to watch. But halfway through the movie, I slept. I was so tired today, and now I still want to sleep, but I honestly don't have like the. I feel if I sleep, I might not wake up early. I'll be sleeping throughout the evening, which I don't want that. I also wanted to show you what usually happens behind the scenes. So here I am trying to work on one of the ideas we had, and I need to prepare a collage for that, which y'all might be able to see very soon. I think we will upload that thing first and then this video. So yeah, currently I'm using this one app. Uh, I'm still looking through like a lot of pictures that I require. But yeah, also I have decided that I am going to start see, I'm very sleepy, but yeah, I've decided the new book that I'm going to start is The Thousand Splendid Suns. Now, Pal told me the other day, actually, yeah, the other day or today, that it's a sad book, but that's who I am. I am a bit crazy where I want to read sad books. The other one, the one that I was reading during New Year's, was called They Both Die in the End, and I think it's a fabulous book. The way it is written and the way the whole thing goes. So I liked it. I finished it, I think, on the 1st of January itself. I took a break yesterday. All I did was sleep because today had college, so I wanted to just give my body a rest before everything starts, and now I am packed. But yeah, but that's it. That's what I'm going to do for like the rest of my evening. To I have another meeting at 9 tonight, but before that I also need to discuss some work with Pal because we are writing a research paper. That's that, and yeah, I think that's it from me because that's what I'm going to do the whole evening. I'm going to sit in front of my laptop and work. Yeah.
Hi guys, I am on my way home from work. So I work as a tutor. I teach English to kids, school kids basically, and I go there after college, and now I'm currently on my way home. I bought a little snack for myself. I do this every day, like to waste money or whatever, but yeah. And I have to pass through a very busy street, like the station area and everything, navigating the streets of Virar. I usually walk home because there's a huge queue for rickshaw and it's too near for rickshawalas to agree easily. So yeah, and as I pass through the market I see all kinds of shops, so it keeps me updated on the current trends or whatever. So yeah, that's a plus. And yeah man, handling kids is a very difficult job. Like, it's very demanding. It's crazy, but yeah. So hi guys, I'm finally home, and I got home like hours ago, and then I ate my snack. I had a drink, like nice juice, and yeah, now I should probably study. And today I'll probably be revising, whatever has been taught in college since the semester started. The semester started in November, and I know this is the first time I'm like opening the books and the PDFs and everything. So yeah, good luck to me. And I think I should start investing like at least 1 hour every day in studying. Not just this, but also my cat, which I'm planning to. So yeah, and yeah, I'll start studying pretty soon. It's 7 p.m. and my goal is to study till 8:30 ish. So yeah, let's see how much we cover. So I want to cover like an entire unit, but I think that's a very far-fetched idea for me. And over the course of a weekend, I want to do a lot of things. So yeah, but yes, that's it, I think. Bye bye.
I hope you enjoy this vlog of ours, and please subscribe to our channel and show some love. Bye.